Hello everyone, welcome back to Dynamic English Academy. My name is Sumaya and today we are going to learn a very polite and useful sentence which is would you like to? We use this with the base form of the verb or you can say the first form of the verb. So we use this sentence when we want to offer something to someone or when we want to ask someone about their opinion or when we want to invite someone. Let's see some examples. Would you like to drink tea? So here we are asking someone about their opinion or we are offering someone to drink tea. We can see some more examples like would you like to go out? Would you like to watch movie? Would you like to learn English? So would you like to drink tea? क्या आप चाय पीना चाहेंगे? Would you like to watch a movie? क्या आप मूवी देखना चाहेंगे? Would you like to go outside? क्या आप बाहर जाना चाहेंगे? Would you like to learn English? क्या आप इंग्लिश सीखना चाहेंगे? So if you want to give answer to this question, you can say, yes, I would like to. So here it means you are saying, I'd like to drink tea or I'd like to watch movie. So you can think some more examples and you can comment below. Thank you.